welcome back to our channel. Today I thought I would do an apartment tour of my San Francisco apartment. I live in a 3-bed, 1-bath apartment in the Marina district. So I have 2 other roommates who also live with me. Shout out to my roommate Emma, who's recording this right now. We pay $3,800 a month to live here, and we've lived here about 4 or 5 months. So we've definitely have made this place feel like home. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down below and follow us on Instagram. We have a classic walk-up. We're not in an apartment building, we're in just a standard San Francisco apartment. So there's a tenant above us and then like a little coffee shop below us that has closed down, unfortunately. But you walk up these stairs to our apartment, and then we have this, I don't know what it's called, but we recently found out that it's used, or it was used back in the day when people wanted to open the door for guests but not have to walk all the way down the steep stairs. That's what this was supposed to do. So ours doesn't work, unfortunately, but kind of cool. It's like a historic piece. And then you walk up, and then this first bedroom is Emma's bedroom. So she has the smallest bedroom out of everyone. We all pay the same rent, so the bedroom sizes don't really vary that much, but as you can see, it's a very neutral aesthetic. Emma, I don't know if you have anything to add here.
No.
But she has a classic bay window cutout, which is where her desk is. So her desk overlooks a very busy street. Lucky her.
Gets noisy.
Yeah, it's very noisy. But have you gotten used to it?
Yeah, kind of. Every time I'm on the phone with someone, though, I have to be like, just so you know, I live on
a
very busy road, so don't mind the noise in the background.
Yeah, but she also has a sound machine to go to bed at night. So what's better than falling asleep to the sound of the city? You know?
I can think of a few things.
People yelling, cars revving their engines. We love it. This is her office, her bedroom, her gym, a very multifunctional space here.
Not great. Don't recommend.
And then obviously this extra wardrobe just for storage. So I'm assuming these are your pieces that you pull out a lot, Emma?
Yeah, jackets.
And then she also has a closet in here. So yeah, very cute room. As you're gonna see for the rest of our apartment, this neutral aesthetic really carries through all of our rooms, the living room. We didn't coordinate that. It just kind of, we have similar taste. So on to the next one. So in the hallway, this is actually my closet. So as you'll see in my room later, I don't have a closet, which is why I have the biggest room, but I pay the same amount of rent as everyone else because I don't have a closet. That's what this is. And then we have a separate toilet and shower situation. So that's also a very classic San Francisco feature of this apartment. What's nice about this is it's just a little toilet, and it has a mini sink in here also. If someone's taking a shower, you can still use the bathroom, wash your hands, and be totally fine. And then we have our shower in here. So we have our eucalyptus that we just added, which we love. A ton of skincare, because we are all skincare fanatics in this household. Like this whole other section is also skincare. And then just like a cute little mirror space, our favorite Costco soap that looks really aesthetic. So it's really nice actually being able to shower and not have to consider other people, because there's a mirror in the toilet over there as well. A little bench for sitting down, decor, nothing crazy. Then you walk in over here, and this is our other roommate's room. And so she's not here, but I'm still filming her room. So she has a room that's a little bit larger than Emma, but still really good sized. And she has a pretty big, I think she probably has the biggest closet, honestly.
Yeah.
Also overlooks a busy street, and yeah, just a really, really cute room. So my favorite part of the apartment is our living area. So when we were apartment hunting, so many of the apartments in San Francisco had tiny living rooms and just places that weren't great for entertaining. You know, a couch barely fit there. So that was something that we really valued, was a nice space to hang out, to work, to, especially spending so much time in our apartment these days. We really wanted a place that felt spacious and open. So we walked into this apartment and we were like, this is it, this is our home. Like when you know, I feel like this one just felt really homey. So we actually got our couch. It was basically brand new. We got it from Facebook Marketplace. It's Pottery Barn, which was an absolute steal. Facebook Marketplace is your friend. And then just our coffee table, This is also one of my favorite pieces. We got this from Facebook Marketplace as well. And because we have the classic bay window, the circle table just fits so perfectly there. And I cannot think of a better piece. But this is where I work every day, so.
Your office.
This is my office, yeah, and my gym. But as you can see, like a lot of natural light, which is also something that I really like. And it does get a little bit loud with the cars, but you know, just gotta put yourself on mute when you're in Zoom calls. And the white roses just like really tie it together for me. So always try to have fresh flowers when we can. And then over here is our fireplace and TV. So actually, funny story, this fireplace was this ugly green marble color before, and it was just throwing off like the aesthetic of our whole house. So we ordered these white tiles on Amazon and just stuck them over. And honestly, I think they look really good.
I honestly forgot. I forgot that it was there.
Yeah, it looks really good. And then we just have like really funky like pieces that add character, like this mirror in the fireplace. Like that's just so vintage San Francisco. Obviously we like our eucalyptus.
Say a lot of eucalyptus.
A lot of eucalyptus. And then okay, we're not crazy. So this is like our makeshift bar cart. And the reason we have so much wine, we don't always have this much wine, I can assure you. But it's because me and both my roommates, so the three of us, all went to wine country the same weekend and came home with so much wine. So this is not what it typically looks like. We don't have an issue. But we just, we all happen to go to wine country and come back with a lot of wine. So that's why this is so heavily stocked. And then just a lot of plants and decor pieces that add a lot of character. And yeah, I love this part of our house, and this is really great for entertaining and just hanging out, you know?
Word.
Okay, on to the next. Okay, so then this is my bedroom. So as I mentioned, I have the largest bedroom. Honestly, not by choice too, because I didn't even want this bedroom, and both of my roommates, neither of them wanted this bedroom. And then, you know, if they're gonna force me to have the largest room, I guess I will. So when you walk in, I obviously have a queen bed and then 2 nightstands on each side, so it's very spacious. I overlook a little bit of a quieter street, so I don't hear as much of the ruckus as my roommates. Over here, this is also like a very classic San Francisco feature, is this, I don't even know what to call it, like a hutch. And I just put some books and some bags and like a TV. I didn't really know how to style it, but I'm happy with how it came together. Below gives me some anxiety though, because I know it looks so messy. The landlord didn't have the doors for this, so it just looks really messy, which throws me off still, but we're working with it. And if you have any suggestions on how to fix that, let me know. But yeah, this is like a really nice feature that adds just character to my room and kind of some built-in decor. And then also another feature about my room that the other rooms don't have is this, what would you even call this?
It's a word, it's not wallpaper, but it's like something like that.
Yeah, like it was wallpaper, it looks like, and they painted over it. So
yeah.
It's like this Victorian-esque emblems across my whole bedroom. I mean, I also have like lower crown molding, so this was definitely the master suite or the living room or something previously, because I also have a second door here.
Yeah, I think it was the dining room.
Okay, yeah, so I think this was a dining room back in the day because of this wallpaper, and then also the second door. This door goes to the kitchen. I don't really use it. That's what that is. And then obviously my dresser, it's a little off-white. It's called Pebble White from West Elm. Just some decor. This is actually a photo of my grandmother when she was young, and it just really fit my aesthetic. So really cool to have that printed out and as decor in my room. And yeah, so I can't complain about the size of my bedroom. Honestly, having a closet in the hallway is not the end of the world, considering I wear sweats every single day, and my sweats are in here. So so next we have the kitchen. So again, we got really lucky with the size of our kitchen. Our kitchen is fairly large compared to a lot of the kitchens that we saw when we were apartment hunting. You know, multiple of us can be in here and cook and not have it feel crowded, which is really nice. We have kind of like our air fryer over here next to our fridge. I don't use it as much as I should, you know. Obviously our stove, we have a ton of kitchen cabinets, so that's been really nice. We have an extra table here, so if one of us is cooking, another one of us can like hang out. Or other times when my roommate wants to take a call in the living room, I can take one out here. So there is that divide, an extra workspace for us. And then we have a little coffee bar set up right here with our syrups and our milk frothers and our fruit bowls.
Whoa, a lot of fruit.
A lot of fruit. We love our avocado. Yeah. And then our Dyson vacuum is charging right here. Love this bad boy. And then, Emma, would you say this is your favorite part of the apartment?
The kitchen?
No, what I'm about to show.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so then there's this door, and we leave it closed sometimes, we open it sometimes, and we actually are so lucky that we have a washer and dryer in our apartment that's just for us. And this was another big thing that we looked for when we were apartment hunting is in-unit washer and dryer, and this is not something that is offered in a lot of places. So we got so lucky, and it's so convenient. We are living the life, honestly. This is truly luxury.
It's a luxury.
Having a washer and dryer in our apartment is insane. So you walk in here, and this is our dryer. It's like a little pantry area, so it's really messy, but we store like our extra supplies and our pantry foods and our cleaning supplies. And then we have our washer here as well. Yeah, so this is like a really functional area. That's why we close the door, because it gets messy over here. This door actually leads out to the trash and also has roof access. I think it's almost sunset, so this might be a good time to go up to the roof. And then you walk up a few flights of stairs and you're on our roof. So we try to come up here just for sunsets or to have a drink or just, you know, enjoy ourselves.
Have our Princess Diary moment.
Yeah, basically. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments below.